everyone, this is Ada. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about the foods I'm eating to recover from a facelift. So if you follow me on my Instagram page or my YouTube channel, you'll know that about 9 weeks ago I flew to Bangkok to have a facelift. So when I got home, I wanted to look at the things I'm doing just to increase my healing process. I am 63, so you know, healing probably takes longer. So what I did is I increased my protein because that's crucial for tissue regeneration. I was eating more meat, more eggs, and more beans. And the other thing is I wanted to increase my vitamin C. I wasn't eating enough vitamin C because that builds collagen, and I was eating more citrus fruits and pawpaw and things that I knew had vitamin C. But the only thing I introduced into my diet was this powder from the Collagen Co. So this is Glow Shakes. I have the cookies and cream. This is so yummy. You can just mix it with water. Yes, it's still yummy just with water. Sometimes I mix it with almond milk, other times coconut water. But I love that this has all the goodies that your body needs. The collagen, the protein, everything else. It's all written on the side for you to have a look at. And I love how it's a complete meal replacement. And I also love that I don't get hungry. So I do not have to snack in between. I'm really full until the next meal. So this month they're giving my viewers a 10% discount. But it's also a very special month at Collagen & Co. They're launching their biggest giveaway. It's a once in a lifetime opportunity to glow your way to a $50,000 dream holiday just by shopping on the Collagen Co website during the month of April. Just imagine where you would go to continue your wellness journey on this dream holiday. For me, I would go to the Amalfi Coast in Italy. I love the scenery, I love the food, and the weather's usually really good. So naturally, we all want to have plenty of energy, feel healthy, and be ready to glow on our dream holiday. For full details and terms and conditions, refer to the link in the description below. So the other thing I wanted to look at was my vitamin A, because this is good for immune system function. So I wanted to have like the orange vegetables like the carrots and the sweet potatoes. And last but not least, I wanted to make sure I had enough good fats in my diet, like the oily fish, the nuts and seeds, and olive oil. So they're all the things I've been doing. It's been working well, and I will continue to do that, and I'm healing really well. So don't forget everyone, Ada Lifestyle. See you again next time. Bye.